evening, everyone. I will prepare to my bed. Ma'am?
Ako ito ang kanin ko ang sila battery niya, battery pack niya.
Ang init. Ang init dito talaga. So hot here in the Philippines. Yan ang trabaho ko. That's my work. When I get ready to sleep, not yet to sleep because my boss calling me sometimes. That's what happened. Yeah. Lagi kang magpaganda para iwas stress. Mas stress ang tao kapag wala kang ano. Saka may negosyohon ka ron, no? Nga pati ng mahala sa bugas. I think siguro may mamuhi kag baboy. Baka, kanding, mga manok. Para nakay kuan ba, nakay kaabag na pag abot sa panahon, namuhi ka nya dayon kuan kanang makaabag sa imong sweldo kay karon sus imong sa kalibo mura na gyud 100 ana. So nagunhuna lagi ko nga kanang mamuhi ko mga baboy ba, wala ba katong sakit sa baboy, no? Atong mga sakit sa baboy na mga sa tong mga tawag atong mga sakit sa baboy wala man ko nang na nag-mine. So, mga anak ba? Mas nila siguro mamuhi kagayupan kay magsali kasi ng sweldo ko lang naman. So, bato na to ani. Mamuhin lang tani mga hayop niya. Mag-ampuan sa katasan na atong mga hayop is blessingan para okay kaayo. Nya dayon ang baka mahasad kay rong palit kag baka, di ka pwede mapalit og nati kay mapalit kay kag nati dugi ka patubuon. Dapat mapalit kag baka is katong dumaga na para dali ra ang kuan nya mahal sa tingin kaino sa pila ka sinana jud. Hi Kalooy. Hi Kali. Hi Kalooy. Hello. Are you a girl? Thank you, Kalooy. Thank you for the subscribe and like. Hello, Noman Labutap. Hello. Thank you. You're a girl. You're so cute. And then, yeah, thank you. Thank you for the like, guys, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah. So, which country are you from, guys? Kalooy and also Noman Labutap. Which country are you from? Yeah. I'll try to subscribe you also back. I subscribe you back. So, guys, yeah. So that's why I do. Okay. So I subscribe you back later after I live. Yeah, and then you're welcome. So, oh, you're from America. Hi Samuel. Hello. Shout out to Samuel. What country are you from? Where are you? How are you, Samuel? USA. Shout out for USA. Say hi to you there. How are you from the USA? It's so nice. USA. So, I like the place of USA. Oh, wow. That's great. Yeah, I have a good hi. What's the name? Enric Nashilo. Thank you for the subscribe. Samuel, I live in Philippines, Cebu City. That's why I live in Cebu City. Yeah, and then I have a kids. How about you? Do you have a kids? I have a kids, but it's grown up already. 23 and 18 because I got married at was teenager, 18 years old. And then my name is Lizelle. It's a girl, both girls. And then not. Oh, you're sick? Thank you, Kalooy. Thank you very much. And then I was split up when I was 21. So sad because my ex-husband has a girlfriend, a lot of women. Yeah. You're cute to be. Oh, house tower? My house tower is not my house. This is my boss house. I'll be here. Yeah, because I am. And then my house is far. Think 2 to 3 hours. Yeah. Yeah, and that's why I just be here to sleep because it's very far. Hi, what's your name? Aiza, me reasonable. Samuel, I'm from Philippines. Yes, I'm from Philippines. And I'm so happy that uh, we I'm so happy that you are here on and watching me. And subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, you can see love the all Filipinos. Yeah, that's good. I'm so happy about it. And they have all Filipinos watching me, and then they can see, maybe you can see your message that you love all the Filipinos. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you very much, Samuel. I'm so happy. And then I do subscribe you back later. Yeah. I'm here because my colleague downstairs and they doing sleep there. I don't know if they're sleeping or not or watching TV. They're watching me, but sometimes they going out because maybe there's something to do. That's why and thank you that you are still there watching me. And then I need to go back. I need to sleep. Yeah, because I wake up early tomorrow and then preparing some work. Yeah. And thank you for watching. Me? Mm. Ah, yeah. How do I look? Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm not 28. I'm not 28. I'm 40. I'm 44. Thank you. Thank you. And guys, thank you for watching me. Thank you very much. And guys, thank you for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye bye. Good night.